Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Package Group Weekly Retrospective for April it's the 3rd, 2020. And starting off with what went not so well is David.
Yeah, so this week I couldn't work as much as I wanted on my module quests. I jumped on one production incident and 2 security issues, and those 3 things just eat up half of the week. Over to Heli.
Yeah, just a bit of a short week for me, so just, less time, less stuff done. Over to Steve.
I was pulled into a little escalation incident as well, and a security issue that were kind of a little bit over my head at first. And so I wasn't able to be as helpful, or at least as quickly as I had hoped. And since midweek, I've been meaning to start an additional milestone issue, but I just haven't been able to get to it. Looks like David has had the same thought. I think we've been eyeing the same issue, actually. Or to Dan.
Yeah, I've been sleeping very well since like the weekend, which means I've been a little less productive. And I don't feel like the escalation for the P1S ones that we got, well, I did think I dealt with that very well. I got all antsy because I was like, we should jump on these things. And I don't know if I trusted the process enough. It might not have been obvious, but that's how it felt. Over to you, Nico.
Yeah, so I've been dealing with a flaky task that is tormenting me. I had the MR running for 2 weeks, like daily update from master, and it never failed once. And then we felt confident, we merged it, and it failed immediately because another broken master. We may have found the issue. And also I feel that my motivation is being sucked still by this COVID situation. And I need to find a way to deal with it because this thing is not gonna change soon. And over to Ian.
Very similar to what Nico was saying just now. I've been struggling a lot with productivity and focus this week, just with everything going on in the world. Things that normally only take a couple of days are now taking, an entire week to get done. So it was a bit of a struggle. Over to David with what went well.
So both security issues are now under review and should be out pretty quickly. Thanks to Steve for his help, and also thanks to Stan. Also, the new company FYI channel works much better than the old one. I guess it's that it's less noisy, so to the point. Over to Heli.
Yeah, so I made there's pretty good progress on getting some of the upstream changes from Docker distribution into R4 the container registry. So feels good to get those done. And the metadata database stuff is starting to take shape, and it's cool. It kind of reminds me, what's the quote? It's like everything's impossible until it happens. So it's just cool to see it happen. On to Gigi.
Yeah, my PyPR MRs are mostly done. Everything is in review with the documentation, so the work is mostly complete. Now it's just a matter of getting through review, but I'm quite positive about it. On to João.
So the service abstraction layer for the registry database is almost complete, and it looks good. We can now start building upon, which is great. On to Steve.
I was able to make some good progress on a few of the package P1 issues. And I think one actually just got merged today. And then this week, I finally got over the last little tail end of that cold that I had, and I'm feeling back at 100%. And also, there's a new conversation happening about making file uploads less complicated. That's really good, and I've been enjoying following along with it. over to Dan.
Thank you. Yeah, working through some of the larger issues has been fun. And I'm talking about not just the file upload thing, that was kind of interesting. I tagged along on some of the calls, which was interesting to hear perspective, but also some other sort of managementy things. I should hashtag that, I suppose. Anyway, enjoying the results of the process change. There's always this sort of sense of we should iterate more. And it's like, okay, if we're getting good results, let's not change too much and see how we go and give it a chance to settle in. So thanks, Harley, for the hashtag. It was good value. And then I've been a lot more in touch with my family recently because of the whole situation, and that's been nice. I've been chatting with my mum a bit more regularly in Australia and some of my other family. So that's been really nice. And over to Nico, and Joao, you're not muted right now.
So I was able to help a little bit here and there and make some people's life easier, and felt good. And for the first time, I may say that I enjoyed some of the real magic surprise phase. Thank you, David, for the enum suggestion. And over to Ian.
Solution validation is underway. We had some technical difficulties where the quality of the call was pretty low, but I was able to get through all the synthesis, pull out some quotes, and we've got some really great areas where we're rocking it. We know we're in the right area, and some other areas where we can improve and grow in the future, which always is exciting to see both ways. Super exciting news. We nailed down confirmation that our next Think Big for package will have guest stars for the very first time. Kyle and Nicole from Secure will be joining us about some secure stuff and showing it in our UI and how we can help build for package defense stuff. I think it'll be a really good conversation, a good experiment of what it's like to have guests at Think Big. And over to you, Dan.
Awesome. Well, that's it for today. We got through that pretty quickly. If people would like to hang around and chat, I'm going to stop the recording, and we could treat this as a bit of a social chat if you want. No pressure to hang out if you don't want to. You're welcome to go do another thing if you'd like. Having said all of that, I want to say thank you very much for everyone who's following along at home. Thank you very much, everyone on the team, for working through what is a pretty difficult time for everyone. Thank you very much. Remember to take the time for yourself when you need it. That is supported at every level of GitLab. So please, if you need time to look after your family, take the time. Thank you very much. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day and whatever that looks like. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.